Zilliqa is the cryptocurrency I'll be talking about today with a realistic price prediction based on what we have seen so far in 2021 and the end of 2020, and I will share with you what is my setup and what are the targets you could be chasing. Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov. A very warm welcome to the trading channel. I'm talking about Zilliqa today, analyzing the chart and giving you a realistic targets based on price action trading. But before doing that, I want to show you the website at zilliqa.com, where you can read more about the blockchain, the ecosystem, and the team. Probably the community knows that the team is quite hard working, I can say. And if I go back to Reddit and Twitter, for example, you can see that there is a huge support on Zilliqa. On Reddit there are over 34,000 members by the time I'm recording this video, and very important are the news going on here. It's a lot of news about Zilliqa. Not going to talk about that, not going to discuss, because by the time you're watching probably there will be many more. But what I want to focus on today is the price itself, because from trading point of view and from investing point of view, this is what matters the most. All right, and keep in mind that there is no expensive price, there is no cheap price. The price is right where it should be at the moment. This is where the buyers meet the sellers. That's it. This is trading, right? So starting from the daily chart, where we have one candlestick representing a daytime. This is for the beginners. Whenever we have a green one, means we are having a positive day. When we have a red one, this is a negative day. At the current moment, it's just going nowhere, staying in the range. But if we look at the big picture, what you can see is that until 6th of May, we have a clear uptrend. Okay, and for the beginners, how the uptrend is defined: whenever we have series of higher highs, let me make it green because it's an uptrend, higher highs, and then we have series of higher lows. Okay, so this one is lower than that one, and this one is lower than that one, or we can say this one is higher than that one. Anyway, it's a series of higher highs and higher lows until May, when Bitcoin lost over 50% of its value, and you can see that actually Zilliqa lost much more. The top, or the record high, on the 6th of May was 0.2569 according to Binance, and then on the 19th of May it dropped down to 0.06. Okay, you can do the math. How big is this drop over here from 0.25 down to 0.06? So are we in a downtrend? Not yet. Okay, this is very important. Not yet. We would be in a downtrend if we have a series of lower highs and lower lows. So this one over here formed a lower high, but still we don't have a lower low. Now if I look at the previous low, we have a lower low, but this low is before the record high. So after the record high, we have just one lower low, and then the price haven't formed another one, very similar to what we have with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest. So if the price does something like that now and forms a new lower low, a low that is lower than that one, then yeah, definitely we would be in a downtrend. Or in other words, if the price drops below 0.06, we would be in a downtrend. Till that moment, I'm bullish on it. Okay, until that moment, we had series of high highs and high lows. True, we had one lower high than that one, so probably I could mark that one in red. All right, so we have series of high highs and high lows, and we have one lower high, which obviously is a signal of a potential downtrend. Now if I zoom a little bit, you will see something interesting that a few coins did. For example, the Binance coin did it, but most of the rest didn't, is we had this new uptrend of new higher highs and new higher lows on the daily chart, okay? But then the price dropped on the 12th of June, a few days ago. It dropped down to 0.0919, and here it dropped down to 0.0935. So definitely that's a level. Definitely this is a strong support level somewhere at 0.09 or at 10 cents. And if you are a person who likes to buy the dips, buy cheap and sell it expensive, you might want to buy whenever the price touches the 0.0930 or anywhere in the zone between 0.09 and 10 cents. Okay, so for the moment, one more time, I'm looking for buying opportunities. And as well, just before start recording, I had this trend line, but I wanted to remove it because I wanted to explain. Alright, so here it is. This is the trend line that we had, actually a counter trend line if we consider we are in an uptrend, and that one was broken. But if I switch down to the hourly chart one more time, you will see that the break was not really impulsive. Okay, when I have a break, I want to make sure that I'm going through that top over here. I want to see an impulsive break, but what happened, you can see that we had an impulsive move right over here before reaching the line, and then this is not really an impulsive break. This is a small candlestick, a bullish one, but you see that the price just went sideways after that. Okay, so really not a great buying opportunities at the moment. Probably if the price drops again to the 0.09, I'll be happy buying with some nice aggressive counter trend line and impulsive break. Now, what is the price prediction that I want to talk about? I will remove all of these because I use them just to explain what is the uptrend. So for the targets, when we have record highs, and for example in this case, as I said, it reached 0.25, what I will do, I will grab a Fibonacci level starting from May 2020, okay, right over here after March, after the coronavirus crisis. We had a nice moves, and this is probably the best times when we were buying cryptocurrencies. So here I can draw a Fibonacci. This is the first impulsive move, and for the beginners the Fibonacci gives us retracement levels, but what else it gives us are targets, and usually we have 4 targets with the Fibonacci, but I like to use the second the most. Okay, it just gets hit much more often compared to the third and the fourth. As you can see that right over here, the second target worked well again. So after the price reaches the target, what I'm doing, I'm taking another Fibonacci, drawing it to the lowest point of the retracement right over here. Stay with me, it's nothing complicated. So I'm drawing a new Fibonacci, and then I will be looking for the new targets. Let's see where the second target stays. Oh, you can see how perfect it worked, right? So this is when I was taking some profits, but fortunately I invested a small amount last year and I just took profits somewhere over here. So you see the price went really nice upwards, reaching the second target and then dropping. So this second target of Fibonacci works really nice, guys. Okay, and for Zilliqa it worked fantastically. And here I'm taking a new Fibonacci, drawing it again to the lowest points right over here. Okay, and now what we have the second target as well. I'm just drawing it precisely because if there is a small change, or if you do not draw it precisely, obviously the target will be different. And let's see what is the second target of Fibonacci this time. Sits at 0.58 cents. Okay, 0.58 is the next Fibonacci target that I'll be looking at. At the current moment, I don't have any Zilliqa in my cryptocurrency portfolio spreadsheet. You can check it out on my Patreon page. This is where I send buy and sell signals for all my patrons. And if you want to get access to the spreadsheet, you can download it from there. But one more time, I would be looking for buying opportunities below the 10 cents. I want to buy the dips, okay? Of course, if the price drops lower, that's even better, buying it cheaper. But if we have a downtrend, and especially if the price drops below 0.06 or even below 0.05, then I will be waiting for the new uptrend to be formed, and I will restart the Fibonacci's. Okay, this is how I'm looking at it right now. It's been a great year for the Zilliqa. One more time, I have taken some profits right over here using the second target of Fibonacci, but it was just a small investment, honestly, about $100 or so, so nothing really to be proud of. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be super happy to answer you and see what is your realistic price prediction. And before you go, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have missed to do it. Press the notification bell so you'll follow all new videos we upload on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in another video. Take care and enjoy trading. Cheers.